I look rich. I'm trying to save them.
Whole chicken. No, not that kind. Maybe not that kind. If you don't mind, you need to sign that. Shows are refunded via money. There's 737. And I'll give you a receipt back just in case you need it. There you go. Have a good night. You're welcome. How you doing?
What's going on?
Not much.
What was wrong with the chicken?
Apparently nothing. She just didn't want it.
That's crazy.
277.
270.
Oh.
Gotta break out the other dollar.
Bust out the big bucks.
I promise we're not gonna exchange these unless.
You sure you're not gonna eat like every Star Crunch until there's only one left, and then return it and be like, these tasted bad.
Maybe, I mean, it could be a defective Star Crunch or something at the end.
There's true. That's so true.
And like we have all the other ones, then we see like rat poison on this one.
Well, I hope you don't get to eat that one.
Yeah. You too. So, what did you think of that experience?
Wow. Good chat.
Oh shit. One of my boys fixing fade. Oh yeah.
Let's just say the bitch took a bite out of the chicken. And she thought,
dude, look at this fucking like Walmart
this don't
gang
taste
meeting
like
in the back.
chicken. Yeah.
What's up, dog? Try it in layers.
See, I told you.
Alright, guys.
People around there. Time for some juicy juice.